Today we are going to know how you can make $100 online. So I'm going to talk about how you can promote affiliate products and you will make $100 online. You'll be making this money weekly. So you just need to be spending 1 hour of your time. You'll be able to start making this money. So the first thing you need to do when it comes to this strategy I'm going to show you is to go and pick a product that you want to start promoting, the affiliate program that you want to start promoting. I will use this affiliate program for example, which is Godspower.ai. So Godspower.ai is a software that allows you to generate articles. So what you have to do, go to Godspower.ai, sign into the affiliate program and see the amount they are going to be paying you. Godspower.ai is going to be paying you 30% lifetime recurring commission if you promote the services. So that is what Godspower.ai is going to be paying you. So what you are doing here, you are not just making money for just bringing the customer, but as long as this customer is still using the services, you are going to be making passive income, which is 30% recurring commission, depending on the plan that the person has picked on Godspower.ai software, because the software is not for free. So what you have to do is to start promoting this software to people who is in need of this software, who want to use it, who want to buy it. So that is what you have to do. So once you have this, your high ticket commission software that you want to promote, then the next thing is how you can promote this software. That is what I want to talk about on this second part. So this second part is that you are going to go to do a keyword research about Godspower.ai. So once you have done the keyword research, you need to make sure when you are doing the keyword research, you need to focus on a low competition keyword. So a high competition keyword means that you have difficulties of ranking for this type of keyword, because there's a lot of people that is already ranking for this type of keyword, which is a high competition keyword. But a low competition keyword, this means that you have a chance of ranking on this particular keyword. So once you have this keyword, then you are done. And the next step is that you need to go and write a blog about this software, which is Godspower.ai. Write a blog about it and make sure you optimize your blog with a good topic that people are looking for on Google. So by doing this, when they search for, let us say for example, your keyword will be Godspower.ai review. So when anyone search for Godspower.ai review, anything like this will pop up. And once it pop up, they click on the link, they read through, they click on your affiliate link. You are going to make money if they buy this software and start using it. That is how Godspower.ai makes you money. So you can see that you've been making good passive income by doing it. Just imagine you having at least 10 people refer to this program. You find yourself making a tons of money with this strategy. Let us say, for example, you have written this article, but you don't have a website. Where are you going to post it? You can watch this free video where I talk about how you can create your website for free, or you can use Quora, or you can use medium.com to promote any affiliate program. So what you have to do is that you need to write a blog about this tool on like a website like medium.com, or you can write a blog on Quora.com. Create a space on Quora and write a blog. On medium.com, you don't need to create a space. You just need to create an account on medium.com, and you see a section where you say write a story. You click on it, you'll be able to enter your title and write your article. By doing that, you'll be able to insert your affiliate link, and anyone that read that articles, you are going to make money. And medium.com is getting 147 million visitors every single month, and Quora is getting almost 1 billion visitors every single month, which is a lot of people that is there that you can go and take a share from these people that is available, or the users of medium.com or the users of Quora. So you just need to decide which platform you want to go to use to promote those affiliate program and make $100 from it every single week. It can be more. It depends on your strategy. If you spend like 1 hour every single day, you'll find yourself making $100 every single week. This just depends on you. If you decide, okay, I want to spend 2 hours, you find yourself doubling your money. So it just depends on the time you spend creating the content. That is how you find a chance of making money. You need to make sure you optimize your articles, make sure it's SEO friendly, and make money from it at the end of the day. So what I recommend is that you should duplicate your content. Duplicate your content in a lot of platforms where you know that you'll be able to rank for that particular keyword that you have done keyword research about. So that is how you can make $100 every single week. You see that I showed you this strategy and it's 100% free. You didn't pay any money to do this strategy. It's 100% free, and anyone can do it. Even if you don't have any skills, you don't have any talent, you just find out that now that is simple and you can do it even if you don't have any experience. So I will end this video from here. Only what I will ask you is to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like, share this video. And if you want to learn how I made $150, you can watch this full video here. If you want to learn how to make money by taking survey, you can watch the second video. I will say thank you and see you on my next video.